Hello everyone, this is Preeti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, this video is the continuity of Pandas playlist. Till now, we have discussed so many things about Pandas, like how we can perform basic data analysis operation, how we can select rows and columns using iLock or lock method. We have discussed about data frames and series. Moreover, we have seen how to read and write data from and to different sources, how we can sort data, and how we can filter data from particular rows and columns. Apart from this, we have done with grouping and aggregating, and obviously pivot and pivot tables, how we can use pivot and pivot tables for grouping and aggregating. So in this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is data cleaning. So there are a lot of things you will be learning in this video, so please guys stay tuned till the end of this video. So these are the things we are going to do in this video. You can quickly get a grasp of what we are going to do here. We will first of all check the types of specific columns, then we'll perform string operations, and we will see how we can remove text from the columns, and we can replace text in columns, and we are going to see casting data types, how we convert one data type into another data type. So for this, first of all, I'm just importing pandas as PD. Then I'm going to read Titanic dataset, and if you don't have Titanic dataset, you can get it from Kaggle, or even you can download it from my GitHub. I will provide the link in the description below. Now this is how our dataset looks like. It has passenger ID. All these columns are present there in our dataset. So want to get the information about the dataset, you can use this info method. We have already discussed about this info method, what it will return. So you can see that we have 12 columns in our dataset, and there are 891 rows and everything about the data type, and there are some null values in age column and cabin column, embarked column. So we'll get a brief introduction about this. Now if you want to check the data type of only the data type, nothing else, so you can use dtypes function. It will return you the data type of all the columns. You can even check for a particular column. If you want to check for a particular column, let's say I want to check it for only for passenger ID, so I can do that as well. So it will return me the data type of only one column. If you want to check for all the columns, you have to just pass your data frame with dtype. Now let's start cleaning our data with the help of string operations. Now let's say if I want to check whether my column contains any numeric data or not. So I just want to check whether my ticket column has any numeric data in it or not. So let's have a look at the ticket column. You can see that it's a combination of categorical as well as numerical uh, variables. Fine. So there are pure numericals as well, and there are combination of both. But I want to check whether it contains numeric data or not. So I can use this method with string dot is numeric method. So it will return me with the values which has a numeric data in it, and you can see here that the last values are pure numeric. So if you want to even check, you can check it. So you can see that these last values are basically, these are numeric values, and this one which it returns false is a combination of categorical as well as numeric variables. So next, if you want to check whether your the data in the column is digit or not, similar method you can use, but this will basically give me an error because I'm here using data frame, and within data frame I am passing this condition. Why? Because otherwise it will return me a boolean values, either true or false, but I want my exact values. That's why I'm passing it inside this. Even in this case, if you want the values instead of this boolean values, you can pass it inside the data frame, then it will going to return you the values instead of the boolean values. So here it will return your data frame with only those values in which tickets has numeric variables. So now I want to check it whether this cabin column is basically it contains any digit or not, but this will return me an error. And let's see, as I have already told you, it will return me an error. It will give me an error. We got the above error because our digit actually returns a nan or for blank or missing values. So it basically is a string. So there we can fix it by using as type. Okay, so here I have to convert my column data type for known null objects to string. Here is my output. Now if I pass this inside my data frame, so I can get all the values where the cabin column has a digit, variable is digit, and I will get all the rows as well as values for that. Now we will see how we can remove unnecessary text from the column using strip method. Well, strip method basically it returns a copy of the string with leading or trailing characters removed from the string, and here your character must be a string. Fine. If characters is omitted or none, then white space characters are basically removed here. I have already explained about string method in my Python playlist. You can watch it from here, what basically it does. So for this, let me just check the unique values for cabin column, and these are all the unique values from cabin column, and I just want to remove this categorical values from all the columns. Here I am just removing one, I am just stripping this C, but you can remove all the columns, all the categorical values. If you want, you can remove A, E, B, C, F, anything you want to remove. You can remove it with the help of strip function. So now you can see that here it is not returning me C, so remove the C variable. Now if you want to replace the column with the clean column, you can just simply store it with the same variable name, or sorry, same column name, or with some other column name if you want. Now let's come to casting data type, how we can convert one data type into another. Now let's say I want to convert this parse column data type. First of all, let me just check the type of parse. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I just want to check its data type. It's basically integer. So for this integer value, I just want to convert it into float. It's very simple. We can use as type, and within this I can provide float. So if you see the initial values for this parse, so basically all the values here are integer. Fine. So now it is returning me float values. Fine. So it is returning me float values. Similarly, we can convert string into integer, integer into string if you want. Fine. Now replacing text in column is very simple. You can even use replace method for this. It's quite simple. Replace method, I have already explained replace method in Python playlist. So here I just want to get the unique values for embarked. It's S, C, Q, and none values. We are going to ignore none values because before cleaning data we will impute the missing values. So here I am converting it using mapping. So basically you can also convert it using replace method. It's quite simple, but here I am replacing this text here with the help of mapping. So it is a dictionary basically. This is a key value pair. So I am providing the values for this S, C, and Q keys, and I want to map it. You just have to provide this dictionary, save it with any variable name, and then use map function. You can also provide these values directly inside this map function if you want, and then here you go, you'll get the values. It's fine. So this is all about data cleaning in pandas. You will get this notebook in the description below. If you have any query, you can write down in the comment section, and please like the video. Do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye bye.